Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is a special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year questions. Okay. In this session, we are mainly focused on the discussion of the economic question. Okay. So this session is purely focused on how to approach the prelims. Okay. How to crack a questions in easier manner. How to find the key within the question. Okay. There are certain elimination strategy. All these things will be discussed here. Okay. So let's begin the session. Okay, see, this is the simplest question asked in the UPSC. Okay, so which one of the following is not a subindex of the World Bank's ease of doing business? Okay, ease of doing business index. Okay, see, first of all, what is ease of doing business? Okay, so it is a ranking is so to measure the country's ability or else their policy. Okay, how much that policy is helping the private to grow. Okay, so that thing is measured in this ease of doing business. Okay, so how the government policies or how the government's activities helps the private sectors to grow. Okay, so think that the private sector is growing means it is actually the investment is growing. Okay, the employment opportunities is growing. Okay, so by that is going to help the growth in the GDP of the country. Okay, so that things is going to be measured in this ease of doing business. Okay, so how the policy is affecting the doing business in that country. Okay, so all these things are measured in this ease of doing business. Okay, so what are the parameters used in this ease of doing business are first starting a business of all. Okay, which means to start a business if there is any barrier or something. Okay, that thing will be measured. Okay, next dealing with the construction permits. Okay, how much time period it's taking for to build a certain company. Okay, to get a permission from the government side. Okay, or from the corporation side. Okay, so how much time period it is taking. Okay, that thing is measured. Okay, getting electricity. Okay, so to getting the electricity supply, how much time period is taking. Okay, from the government side, how much time period it is lagging to provide certain electricity facility towards this private sector. Okay, that thing is measured. Okay, registering property. Okay, getting credits. Okay, to start a certain company means okay, you need certain credits. Okay, you have to borrow or else you have to get an investment. Okay, how much delay the entrepreneur or a startup is facing. Okay, that thing is measured. Okay, next, protecting the minority investors. Okay, what are the rules that is going to protect the investors. Okay, next, paying taxes. Okay, whether the country is putting lot more taxes on the private sector. Okay, whether the corporate tax is way more higher. Okay, that thing is measured. Okay, next, trading across the border, whether the domestic territory. Okay, whether the country is putting lot of barrier in the trade. Okay, whether that thing also measured. Okay, next, enforcing the contract and resolving the insolvency. Okay, these are the main parameters followed by the ease of doing business measurement. Okay, so in this, okay, maintenance of law and order. Okay, see, think, okay, ease of doing business. Okay, whether that thing is anyway related to the law and order. No. Okay, so think, okay, if they are going to do a business activity. Okay, whatever the criminal law, okay, whatever the civil law, that is nothing going to affect the business activity. Okay, so such a way, by that A is wrong. Okay, without knowing about that 10 parameter, you can answer it. Okay, so paying taxes, registering the property, dealing with the construction permits. Okay, so all these are comes under the World Bank ease of doing business. Okay, but the maintenance of law and order is not in that ease of doing business parameter. Okay, so such a way you can easily answer this question by elimination also. Okay, thank you.